Hi guys, so October is shaping up to be a really fun month. So the things I have to show you today are going to be brand new on mydiamondpress.com. Diamond Press did send these items free of charge for my review, and all opinions are my own. Although I'm not going to do a whole review here, I just want to show you some of the items because you know, I have that limited time in the mornings with the kids and online schooling and all that. They're on a little break right now. And the link I have is not an affiliate link, but if you use the code VCDP, that is an affiliate code, which means I'll make a small commission if you use that code. And you will also get 17% off now because Diamond Press is so kind to support me. Every time we hit a new 1,000 subscribers, they will increase the discount you get. So 17% is really great. So let's just get to it. So I have a few things here to share with you guys that they brought brand new, and something that I've been waiting for a long time, but we're gonna keep waiting because they're not quite in yet, but I did want to show them to you, is the full metal shim, the A2 size metal shim. It will fit right inside your folder, and this will help you cut your acetate. You can cut fabric, you know, thin fabrics obviously are gonna stick the thickest fabric through there. Well, at least I wouldn't, but we do have these shims here, and it covers basically the whole size of the plate. So whatever you got that you want to put through there, as far as acetate, things like that, you'll have that. But it's not quite in yet, and there are 5 in this pack, so I'm really, really looking forward to using these. So really, really great. I'm looking forward to those being in stock, and I think you guys are too. That's really awesome. So a couple things. So one of the items I do not have here to show you is, that they do have new on their site, is the holiday kit, I think they called it. If you had gotten your marquee and you signed up for the auto ship, you're getting your every other month auto ship. One of those kits is now at my Diamond Press. It's the one for kind of like a Christmas holiday feel. So that holiday kit is there. If you're interested, you can pick it up there, which is great because I know a lot of times people ask me if some of the kits from HSN are going to be on their site, and I don't know, but that is one of them that did show up there, so you might want to check that. I don't have it here to show you yet. I don't have my auto ship in yet, so that is there. They do have the Diamond Press foils and adhesive holiday bundle. So this one is a... Oh, and before I forget, I also have a giveaway to do here in this video, okay? So we'll talk about that in just a minute. Well, I'll show it to you what the giveaway items are when we're done. But as my giveaways are always pretty easy, just like the video, thumbs up, say enter me, be 18 years of age or older. And for me, if it's international, I don't mind, so I don't mind shipping it off. I think the last people that won, one was in Belgium and one was in Australia. The last couple winners of giveaways. And I'll end it, oh, today's October 1st. So let's say October 5th so I can get it out, you know, on the 6th, nice and quick turnaround there. So let's open this up. These are holiday foils. These are cold foils, so you can stick them down with adhesives, with your other kits that you might have from Diamond Press that have the adhesive, the double-sided adhesive. You can use your Tim Holtz, that sticky embossing powder, and we'll grab this stuff really, really well. But this kit here does come with the double-sided adhesive that you need to apply that. And if you haven't seen my videos on that or a review on that before, I do have some, so maybe I'll link it in the description box. But these are really fun. So again, just have your holiday colors, and it does have some information here on how to use them. And you can pretty much use those with any dies, guys. So that's what's pretty cool about those. This is the Coffee and Friends stamp and die kit, and this is adorable. So let me open this one up. Look at this. I can already see the little croissant shape. So cute. Yeah, so I'll have 2 giveaway for 2 winners. Alright, so look how cute this stamp set is. So basically we have our stamp set that has to do with Coffee and Friends, and then it has really cute sentiments there. I love this kind of thing. The little cups, even the little drink, a little mug. You have your little Frappuccino here looking drink, and then look how nice and big that sentiment is. That's so nice. And then we have, again, the cutting folders, and I believe the dies are all on this page, yeah. So these are all the dies that go along. Again, just really adorable. So again, I will review these things coming up. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up to kick off with. Oh, this one's nice. The Everyday Greetings. Oopsie, let's get this open. I believe this one's, okay. I was just gonna say it was all dies, but it's dies and stamps. Oh, there we go. So we have our cutting folders. We have really nice stamps. Thank you for being there, for everything, for being you. Congrats on your marriage, on your little one. There's all kinds of different things you can mix and match. All these different sentiments. And then the dies pretty much will cut around. What's cool about this one is, like, let's say this, you have your banner, and then you can have the thank you, and then you have for being there, or whatever else you might fit in there. Really cute. The way they put that together. Or like this wishing you kind of goes right in that one. And then you have still space for whatever else you might want to say on that. Again, that one's Everyday Greetings. Oh, I already lost my scissors. No, I didn't. Here we go. This is Halloween Border Stamp and Die Kit. Oh, this is cute. I saw these on their website because I wanted to make sure if things were in or not in. So I checked really quick before I came on here. So we have the dies that will go right along with these borders. So if you missed out, I know they had a set on HSN. This is something that's similar, and you might want to pick that up. So it has the little jack-o'-lanterns in the fence. You have your bats. You have your little haunted scenery there. And then we have the cobwebs or spiderwebs, however you want to look at that. And then the little bats, and they all have dies that go along with them. This one's priced very, very nicely is what I remember as I saw it right now before I got on here. So you might want to check that out. We have Girlfriend Sentiment dies, and they're always a value, but that one is especially great pricing right now. Let's see. Oh, this is cute. And this one's all dies. Wait, is it all dies? Or maybe they're stamps. Let's see. Yeah, no, they're all dies. Because when I saw them, I thought that is so cute, because some of the sayings on here, well, as you can see, it's called Girlfriend Sentiment dies. It comes with your cutting folders, you know, happy for you, hello friend. Oh, it says something about babe, total babe, BFF. I'm something for you. I'm here for you. You know, guys, I'm the worst at reading these when they're something, girl gang for life. Really cute. Big hug. That was his big hug. No. What did I say? All right, you know, I'll try these out later. No, it doesn't say big hug. It says, hey, girl. All right, big hug, hey, girl, you know, whatever. Really cute, though. Lots of fun sentiments in this one. It's all dies, so that's really cute. Shine bright. Stay fabulous always. You totally got this. Just a bunch of fun things. Let's check that one out. I think that was a really sweet set. And then this Be Sweet stamp set, I was curious to see this one. Stamps and dies, so cute. A very thick pack here. This is the kind of thing I love. So the holiday set that they have available, obviously with the auto ships, like the Marquee has, they come with embossing folders, your dies, your stamps, things like that. So this one, I love this set because it does have embossing folders too. So again, Be Sweet stamp and die set. Hopefully you can see the stamps, how cute they are. I love this background. Look at that. Oh, look at these. You're so sweet. And then it has all these fun bee themed things. And I know a lot of you guys have asked about bee stamps, if I know anybody who has them, things like that. So this is a really great set right up your alley. We have the embossing folders, the long thin embossing folders with the honeycomb pattern and the little bees. And this one here with the border and all these other cute little items that, again, go back to obviously your stamps with the honey jar. And oh, I love the hexagon, and this one has like an outer and inner hexagon. That's really cute because you can use it like a frame like this, or you can use it to cut yourself an inner hexagon that mats with this one that mats on there. You know what I'm saying? You can use that in two ways, which is really cute. And yeah, so that's the Be Sweet stamp and die set. So let me show you the stamp sets I have to give away. I believe it's the Christmas one, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I still have these two Believe in Magic stamp and die sets to give away. So this will be the giveaway. So again, follow the entry rules there at the end. They'll be in this next screen here to win one of these, and the entries will end on the 5th, and I'll draw 2 names using random.org on the 6th. So thank you so much, Diamond Press, for sending these items for review. I will get to reviewing those. Also, I'm going to begin the HSN previews, and I believe on the 3rd, Beth will have a preview also on Facebook, so you might want to check that out. I'll have the links that pertain to a lot of these things here in the description box. Good luck, guys, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.